What's up, guys? We're going to be doing 20 hours in handcuffs. Felix, if you'll do the honors.
Doing fat wrist.
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say will be hold accountable to you as part of law. If you do not have the right to an attorney, won't be appointed to you.
Let's do this. Alright, time to get work done. I got a big boy essay to write. These are really tight. This hurts so bad. Abortion is bad. Could you take off my hood, please? And
No. You're not allowed to help him.
Okay.
Sure. Wow.
Why is it not doing a thing? My wrists are destroyed.
We're only a minute and 30 seconds in.
Are
So,
we doing one continuous shot?
as of right now, yeah.
Hard.
We'll take him off.
And we're recording in 4K.
Oh, wow.
It's gonna be a very big file.
He's listening though, because of shit.
Copyright. Oh, we're going again.
It's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna kill myself. Oh wait, that's not family friendly. Cut.
Wait, go.
So far, it's been 15 minutes. So far I've finished an essay. In 15 minutes, I'm pretty good at it. Why abortion should be illegal. I'm not gonna get into the politics, but abortion topic has gone through the court system multiple times. In the case of Niflaw versus Bakura, California has passed a law called the Reproductive Act. Just letting you guys know that. We got Brandon behind the camera. We got Felix. Yeah. I'll keep you guys updated. Wait, no, I'm doing a vid. Oh no, my phone. Gotta pick it up. Trying to get it up into my front pocket. Mother. I get ice censored.
This is amazing.
Who's that?
Alan.
Oh, thought it was my friend. Where's your friend go? Oh, that hurts. He's going in my back pocket.
Almost.
Mother of God. Please help me.
Ah, success.
Oh. How are my wrists looking?
I don't know. Can't see them. Great.
Are they?
Uh-oh.
Oh, damn it, it's so sad. Gotta do a hide. I didn't do anything. You did something.
Maybe look at your handcuffs. Ah, yeah, I see they're still together. Loosely together.
They were cutting my arms.
Oh,
You got a runner.
and he's on the run.
What was that?
There you go. Oh, there he is.
I'm just a rent a cop. I don't actually work here.
Oh,
It's been 3 hours.
lies.
Nope. Not lying. It's truth. I am truthing you.
He just wants to be out of the handcuffs.
Oh gosh.
Oh, and
Gavin and Austin, did you guys finish your bear talk that was supposed to go on today? Okay, so I think what we're gonna do, Melissa, on,
I'm giving up.
You know what the worst part is? That's my phone number.
I'm giving up.
And I wasn't there the day we
Give up.
presented stuff in the hospital.